Hello everyone, I'm CryptoNobes. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Chainlink. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis as well as a few other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can get this video over 400 likes, and I also want to know down below, do you think Chainlink will hit over $200 this year? With that, let's jump straight into the video. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here the official CryptoNobes Patreon. If you are looking to make money this alt season, stay reassured and updated, then this could be the place for you. We currently have the Gold membership, which is access to my Discord group, where I'll provide my top coin calls every month, potential coin breakouts, and coins you should look into. We also have the Diamond membership, where if you need any help managing your portfolio or a second opinion, I will help you to the best of my ability. If you are interested and want to make money this alt season, then I'm going to leave a link in the description and in the pinned comment section down below. So we'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. Look how strong this market is. We are seeing tremendous price action across the board. Bitcoin is back above $40,000, so is this a sign of things to come? The market cap is back above $1.2 trillion, so overall this crypto market is just getting started. Ethereum is at 1,687, XRP is at 43 cents, Polkadot is at $19.98, Cardano is at 53 cents, Litecoin is at $161, Chainlink is at $25.12, and Stellar is at 33 cents. But in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the latest news to do with Chainlink, so let's jump straight into the first article. And this article says, breaking, Chainlink tops $27 for the first time, a price history. Chainlink has reached an all-time high price of $27.02. Link has roughly had 1% daily rate of increase throughout its market cycles. The current cycle has had the highest rate of increase. The Chainlink price soared to an all-time high of $27.02 on February 5th, 2021 before decreasing slightly. Up to this point, Chainlink has gone through 4 major market cycles. Unlike the majority of other altcoins, Link has been moving mostly upwards. So here's the first Chainlink market cycle. The first market cycle for Link transpired between September 2017 and June 2018. The cycle began with a low of 12 cents on September 28, 2017. An increase of 1,237% in a span of 103 days followed this low, creating the first all-time high price at $1.51, which stood until June 2019. After the high was reached, Link corrected over the next 171 days, settling with a low of 15 cents on June 28, 2018. After this, Link began its second market cycle. The 15 cents low has not been revisited since. The second market cycle transpired between June 2018 and March 2020. This cycle saw much higher rate of increase than the first. In a span of 372 days, Link increased 2,786%, accumulating with a high of $4.80 on June 29, 2019. After moving above the original all-time high price at $1.51, Link continued increasing at an accelerated rate until it reached $4.80. Following this, Link corrected for the next 258 days, decreasing by 72%. While Link technically reached a slightly higher high in March due to it being part of the flat correction, we are considering it as part of the corrective structure. The third market cycle began with the March 13, 2020 low of $1.34 and continued until a high of $20.71 was reached on August 17, 2020. After the August high was reached, Link corrected by 61% over the next 128 days, similar to the second cycle. Link actually reached a slightly lower low earlier, but the final low of $8.03 is still part of the correction. Since then, Link has been moving upwards. A new all-time high price of $27.02 was reached on February 5th, 2021, which is absolutely incredible. And the current Chainlink movement. The current Chainlink market cycle has had its highest rate of increase so far. Link has increased by 198% in only 41 days for a daily rate increase of 5%. If Link continues with the same rate of increase, the current cycle will be the steepest yet, likely leading to a parabolic upward move in the future. So overall, Chainlink is proving why it is one of the hottest cryptocurrencies in the market. If I bring you down to this video here, this was brought out on the 16th of January 2020. This is one of my first ever videos on YouTube, and as you can see, I was talking about Chainlink. Chainlink is one of those cryptocurrencies that is game changer, and I've been talking about it ever since. And now it is proving why exactly it is a beast, and it has been for a long time. I want to know down below, what price did you first get into Chainlink? This is the next article I want to show you, and it says Kraken uses Chainlink tech to bring its prices to DeFi. Crypto exchange Kraken announced earlier today that it plans to deliver prices to DeFi. The platform will use Chainlink's technology to offer data in real time and prove that it is genuine. As a result, Kraken aims to increase transparency, bring trust, and reduce risk of manipulation. Kraken is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges by trading volume, and as such, it is already extremely influential. However, according to the recent information, the exchange also plans to expand its influence by sourcing its data to the DeFi sector. Kraken prices are coming to DeFi via Chainlink. Kraken announced this intention earlier today, noting that it will now be running its own node on Chainlink's blockchain. This opens up an opportunity to broadcast its Oracle rates to Ethereum as well as other blockchains. The Oracle rates offer price information in real time, which is sent to the decentralized apps of the DeFi sector. This can include anything from lending projects, stablecoins, payments, or derivative contracts. It is all possible due to Chainlink's integrated cryptographic signing capability. Essentially, users can access the price data and even receive proof that this data is truly from Kraken's platform. Kraken plans to eliminate price manipulation. Chainlink has recently made headlines multiple times due to major projects' choice to use its technology for their own purpose. Its decentralized Oracle network is already used in the DeFi sector by a wide range of projects, typically for similar purposes as what Kraken intends. The risk of price manipulation is quite high, and Chainlink's oracles are necessary to eliminate that risk and give traders a peace of mind. With this data being fed directly into smart contracts, they can immediately react to any changes in various coins' value. In the end, Kraken's goal is to increase transparency and the trust in the crypto space, and the best way to do that is to offer proof that the information is genuine. So overall, this is big news for Chainlink and Kraken. As you can see, over the past few years, Chainlink have been proving themselves as to why they are one of the hottest cryptocurrencies in the market, with still so much more to look forward to. Chainlink's price is at this level and we still have not got staking. When Chainlink staking comes into play, this price is going to explode, as well as some of the other biggest companies in the world investing into Chainlink. We're now going to take a look at a clip from Sergey Nazarov explaining the adoption of smart contracts through superior guarantees.
The case where things can move very quickly is if the solvency or the reliability of brand-based guarantees begins to erode. Now, this is actually a very scary thing, and it'll mean some scary changes in the world. But the reality is that if the world that we're in now is based on some kind of institution or firm or enterprise saying, you should trust my insurance company, you should trust my financial institution, you should trust me because I have a logo, and that logo has been solvent and successfully executing contracts for 100 years. If that begins to fail, like Wirecard, like other examples where people begin to look into the solvency or to question the solvency. And the reality is that a lot of solvency is based on market dynamics, and the market is still in a very good place. So if the market doesn't go to a good place, if it goes to a bad place, and you have people whose solvency is based on the market being in a good place, well, then solvency becomes an issue. And the brand-based guarantees of trust my 100-year logo begins to erode very quickly and possibly disappear. And I think the fundamental question that everybody should ask themselves when thinking about blockchain systems in their core foundational value is, if brand-based guarantees are no longer acceptable, where do we go? What do we do as a society that wants to conduct global trade, global financial transactions, and kind of interact on this contractual basis when somebody's brand no longer assures me that they're solvent and that I can rely on them and that I can do transactions with them? If we get to a world where that is a question, or a fundamental question for many transactions, then math-based contractual guarantees, of which blockchains and definitive truth-based systems like DeFi are the absolute pinnacle, those systems will immediately become in demand.
To finish off today's video, we are going to be taking a look at a quick little price analysis, and if I show you this chart here, as you can see at the moment, Chainlink is looking incredibly bullish. We are in moon territory. We are going to have the slight appropriate corrections, but overall with Chainlink, I think the potential is unreal. If you are thinking when is a good time to buy Chainlink, it all comes down to how long you are planning on holding it for, or what prices you're selling it at. If you refuse to sell your Chainlink until it hits over $200, then now the prices don't effectively matter. We could be lucky and see a price drop to $20, but overall I do not think we will see any dramatic falls below $10 again. If we do see a slight correction with the market at this point, anything below $24 is a good buying opportunity considering how strong Chainlink has been over the past few months, and it doesn't look like it is going to slow down anytime soon. I am personally still buying Chainlink even now, and I have no plans to sell anytime soon. Just quickly, only 20% of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you are new around here or regular, hit the subscribe button as it is free and you can always unsubscribe later if you do not enjoy my content. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can hit that 400 like target, and I also want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.